Stand with feet wide, 3 to 4 feet apart. Shift your right heel out so your toes are pointing slightly inward. Turn your left foot out 90 degrees. Line up your left heel with the arch of your right foot. Bend your left knee to a 90-degree angle, keeping the knee in line with the second toe to protect the knee joint. Stretch through your straight back leg and ground down into the back foot. On an inhale, bring arms to AT at shoulder height. Draw your shoulder blades down the back. Spread your fingers and keep palms face down. Gaze over the front fingers. As you exhale, sink deeper into the stretch. A pose with warrior in its name may not sound very zen, but this standing pose can help calm and steady your mind. Tougher than it looks, it also strengthens your legs and ankles while increasing stamina.